Hello everyone, welcome back to the AAS YouTube channel, and I am very excited to be talking about an in-person peer review workshop that will be held on June 4th, 2023. And a few days ago, the first advertisement for it came out. So if you're going to be attending the AAS 242 meeting in Albequerque and you're interested in learning how to be a better reviewer, consider signing up for this peer review workshop. You will learn about the peer review process from scientific editors who will be in person there at the tables as we work through the agenda. We will explore examples of bad, good referee reports, and you will gain experience by writing a referee report during the workshops. And at the conclusion of the workshop, after you've been through it, you will receive a graduation certificate. And so I highly encourage you to apply if you would like to learn about the peer review process or how to be a better referee. All right? So please consider applying, and I will see you in Albuquerque. Bye-bye.